So today we're going to make some almond milk, and what we need for that is to take around 20 almonds and soak them overnight. So in the morning they're going to be swollen and ready to be peeled. So we start peeling one almond after the other, one by one. We just keep peeling, and there we go, ta-da! So now we need 20 of them, unless you eat one by mistake. Anyway, so now you put them in the mixer. So since we've taken 20 almonds, the ratio is 1 glass of water. So now I've poured half a glass of water, and as I keep mixing, I keep pouring in the rest of the water. So there we make some noise and wait for it to do its magic. So now as you can see, there are some leftover almond bits. So we keep adding in some more water as we keep mixing along. So finally, now we're all done and we have this thick, beautiful almond milk. So now the next thing that we're going to do is filter the almond milk. So now we have a little chunks of almond left out. So we can use that again with a little bit of water to get some more milk. We just put that back in the mixer and we just add a little water and mix it up again. So now there we are, we finished mixing it, and now we can again filter the rest of this as well. And there we go. We have some thick, rich almond milk. So now we can go ahead and store this almond milk in a glass bottle or any other container and refrigerate it for up to 5 days. So we can use it in our cereals, our smoothies, and basically anything as a substitute for milk. So now we're done with the almond milk. I hope you enjoy. Bye!